I am definitely doing it today. Not making a full video about it because I don't really know what I'm doing. But this is the thickness of the wood that I milled up yesterday. And I've now cut these by half or halfway through on the old table saw. So now they're all sort of half the width of that. So that should make a nice small box. I'm thinking that two of them, cut down the middle, make a little square box, use these for the top and bottom. That's what I'm hoping, I think. And Steve Ramsey did a video where he made a fancy pants box during COVID. And I think I'm going to try that approach and see if that works. But I'll keep you updated. Progress is being made. Let me show you. So I went 44.9 rather than 45 on those. And they actually, when you hold them together, do look all right. The most excessive use of clamps ever to hold that. But that's going to be the top and the bottom. And I'm currently just setting up this router under here so I can do the routing bits necessary. Absolutely no idea if this is going to work. Right, rather than doing lots of bits, I'm going to do lots of little cuts to show you what I'm up to. So, I've got that little slash going through there like so. I'm now laying out some blue tape so I can put these all together, ready to glue and roll up. As nuts as it seems, I've never done this kind of tape so you can just roll it all up situation. Oh, it's very exciting. I'm going to put some Type Bond 2 and a little bit of CA glue in there as well. Oh, is it going to work? Let's find out. I don't know which side to start from. There. There. Nice and snug. Put that around there like that. I don't think that's too shabby. This is a problem with making small things. There's a ever so slight cock up, so I think this side is ever so slightly longer than the other sides, but you can't really see it with the square. The excessive use of clamps didn't help my lid glue up, I don't think. Come on, you little bugger. Rather than measuring, I'm using the box in between a stop block and the blade to get me the size to cut from that. That seemed to work okay. Touch overhanging, which is lovely, but that's it. Do another one of them. Lovely jubbly. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Right, so that's routed out the bottom there. So that then sits inside there. Lovely old job. Just like that. I've messed up somewhere. Old Stevie boy didn't have to do this. Oh God. No, we got the old going on there and a thing going on there. Whoa! Trying to clean it up a little bit. Some of that action. For some reason, we've got a fitment issue, and it's like this top piece never came from the bottom piece. I don't know how it goes. Doing a lot more of this sanding malarkey to try and get everything to fit. Oh, look at me with my hand tools, making it look like I know what I'm doing. Woohoo! Well, that break it off is devastating. Glued it back together. Well, it's not going super well, but let's see a bit of a sanding, see what happens. Cheap Danish oil from Screwfix. Ooh. Well, it's not perfect, but as far as first boxes go, I'll be okay with that. It looks sexy, doesn't it? And that came out from a lump of discarded wood that was in my garden. What? Like I said, it's not perfect, but I'm all right with that. That looks quite pretty.